Hello, I'm Richard Gerhardt. Welcome to Body of Energy. On this video I will be demonstrating how to shuffle our 162 card balanced equation deck. Thank you. So when it comes to shuffling our balanced equation deck, as you can see, it's a pretty big deck. It has 162 cards. It's pretty thick. So I take a third off the top, set it over there, so that I can shuffle the remaining cards. So for myself, I like rhythm, so I usually shuffle them 3 times. And then after I'm done shuffling that part 3 times, I split the deck, grab the first part, shuffle it 3 more times, and as I'm shuffling, I split them on their side so that the cards are turning into each other so that you get upright and reverse cards. So that's one thing I do. I always take the half off the top. The reason is, usually when I'm done with the layout, I set the cards that I just used on the bottom. So by always taking the top off and setting it aside, the bottom is always getting shuffled into the deck. So after I've gone through this process, I take them all together and then I rifle through and shuffle them this way. And after I've done that a few times, then when I'm ready to lay them out, I do my final cut, and there you go. And so that's how I shuffle this big deck. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and check out our additional videos. Also, please visit our website at bodyofenergy19.com. Thank you.